What's up, guys? Rich here from Rich+Niche.com. Today's video is going to be some throwback clips of my Twitch stream. Haven't had a lot of time to Twitch lately. With a newborn son, it's pretty hard to find time to live stream. It's putting a lot of pressure on my wife to come spend, 3-4 hours at a time live streaming. So it's a bit on hold. I probably will bring it back at some time, but there's just so many golden nuggets from the past few months of streaming. I want to bring them to you today. I got 4 of them for you, 4 awesome clips. So I hope you enjoy today's video. Like, I'm not in the mood right now. I don't think anyone's in the mood right now. Like, is anyone in a great mood right now? Like, have we ever been so emotionally exhausted just from life? I mean, when do we get to take a breath? Maybe not ever. Maybe not ever again. It's time to become a warrior. You got to become a warrior, man. Like, I get self-care. I totally get self-care. I respect self-care. But you don't want to be self-caring yourself to the point where you're like going to bed like with lotion gloves on and you've had like 45-minute aromatherapy. Like, in this world, you need to work so hard that you should be nursing your wounds at the end of the day. You should be putting a little ointment on that cut. You should be applying a little warmth to that bruise. You should be licking those wounds as they speak. I mean, you want to be a freaking warrior, right? So you need to be out here battling day to day. You need to push yourself day to day, such that you're getting cut up. You're gonna get cut. Like, what is this living life where I don't get cut? That's not right, okay? You need to get cut. What's your question, Porco Germ 52? Spit it. I am not in the mood for tardiness today. Because of the trying times. Because money is not abundant, we should take more risks. Okay, we need to spark income for ourselves. Okay, and the fastest way to get something real is to get someone on a monthly subscription, because then they like it and they want more. That's a great indicator. And if you can get 1, why can't you get 2? And if you can get 2, why can't you get 10? And if you can get 10, why can't you get 100? What is the difference? There isn't. So pick 4 things. Pick 3 ideas, 4 ideas. Come up with monthly subscriptions. Maybe they're time-based services. Maybe they're food-based services. Maybe they're support. I mow your lawn every month is a classic one. Now, I don't recommend that for you guys. I recommend you mow the digital lawn. I'll do 3 blog posts for you for $75. That's cheap, but I guarantee you there's 100 people out there that would do that. Is there any way you can turn that $75 into a profit making 3 articles? I'm not sure. But that's the kind of thinking you want to be doing. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, okay. Gotta go, guys. It's been a great show. Thank you so much for joining me again on episode 37 of the Rich+Niche live stream. Have a strong finish to your Monday. Think about potentially starting a monthly subscription, a service offer of some kind, and try it out. Ask someone, hey, do you want this? Want to try this? Be surprised what happens. Give it a shot, guys. They knew. The Japanese knew about Bitcoin in 1982, okay? When Mario was released, he was already accumulating Bitcoin. Mario is Satoshi Nakamura, or whatever. How have your government been treating y'all? Like sheep. Properly. Canada is my dreamland one day. Hey, come out to Cold Valley. I'm gonna start a fucking town here. I'm gonna open my own fucking town, okay? You watch me. You give me 5 to 10 years, I guarantee you I'm putting something on the map. This is the perfect opportunity. Right now, the perfect storm is brewing right now, where Rich's audience is growing and his capacity to manifest meets a doomed recession driving the price of real estate down. Cold Valley is born. We're going to have great prices, good values, a place where your kids can grow up. How cold does it get? It gets cold. It gets down to 0, but it's way better than living in central Canada, which gets to -40. I used to live in central Canada for a short time when I went to law school. It was hard. It's hard waking up when it's 30 to 40 degrees negative in Celsius, and you try to go outside with, if you're wearing like jeans, like denim, your pants will literally freeze. They'll be rocks. One time I couldn't start my car. I like tried to walk to Canadian Tire, like the hardware store, to try and buy a battery charger. I like almost froze to death. I almost froze to death on that walk. Like I walked in a blizzard wearing jeans, like the dumbass I was back in law school. I don't know why that title came to me. I didn't even think about it. I just started typing it and said how to break free from average. Because I think what makes us average is like the need to get a job. If we can somehow avoid getting a job, we're not going to be average, that's for sure. And I'll be honest, if there's anyone who knows how to not get a job, it's me. I've spent my whole life trying not to get a job. I mean, I had jobs. My first job was at the driving range picking up golf balls. My second job was at a golf store where I sold golf clubs. After that, I got into online poker. I was making money on online poker. And then I went back into television broadcasting as a trade. And I had a 9-to-5 job as a DVD media front-end creator. I was creating DVD menus. You know, when you go in and you're like select chapter, I was building that stuff. That was early on. Final Cut Pro had a sister software that helped you make DVD software. Apple was a leader in that space. But man, DVD technology has just fallen off. Like bam. Know what I'm saying? Who's here with me? Anyone?